Guys are still here?
Yep. Almost done, almost done.
Same here.
This is actually using owner.
Alright, I'm all set. Thank you. I think it's 110. Yeah. Hannah?
There we go. Joseph?
Yeah. Cool.
This is as good a day as any to start the rebuilding of life.
This is where the New Mexico border should be. There's no sign. Kind of depressing. I was still looking forward to a sign, but you take super back roads, they're not going to put a sign on every road. Yeah. Darn it. But I'm in New Mexico. I am beyond excited to be out of Texas. Beyond excited.
Today and not tomorrow. There's no time to borrow. Today is a good day to live.
Alright, look at this elevation profile real quick. So I was in El Paso for 2 nights at a hostel. I went 50 some miles to Warm Showers in Las Cruces, so basically pretty flat. Then I went 60 miles to Campsite State Park to Erie. Yesterday I went 30 miles up 2,000 feet to Kingston, where I am now on a bed and breakfast. Got super cold last night. It's going to be cold today. And then I got to go. I'm going to try to make it to Silver City, which is like 50 some miles. But I got to go up 2,000 more feet, just above 8,000 feet in 10 miles. So this is going to be the steepest climb. I think they say this is like the toughest climb of this whole entire southern tier. So I wanted to split this up in 2 days. But it's going to be, hopefully it's going to be great. A good view up there. That's kind of what I'm banking on, because this is going to be a gruesome 10 miles. But then it's kind of more or less downhill, a few rollers here. And hopefully I can make it to Silver City today. There it is. This is the top. I just hope I don't have to climb this high one more time. It is freezing up here. It's beautiful, so I guess it was worth it. Yo, good morning. Let me sit up if I can. I made it to Arizona yesterday. Good stuff right there. I just want to show you, like, in the tent that I deal with every time I camp, at least once. Look how small it is. Look at that. Like, there's not much room but just to lay down, which is fine. I don't mind, but like, I really thought I'd be okay with this. But like, a tip: get a 2-person tent that's higher. I would just love to work on my computer or easily change my clothes, but like in this tent, it is near impossible. It's like sleep it and then wake up and go, and that's it. So get a bigger tent. And another thing, like when it's really cold, this sleeping bag here, like when I have it like in the mummy, I don't like wrapping it above my face, because then the moisture gets in the sleeping bag, you know, and it gets wet and cold. So I take my down jacket and just put it over my head, and it leaves just enough space for like fresh air to move in to breathe, but warm enough to to sleep and your face doesn't freeze. So that's a good tip. What else? Oh, and my air mattress like popped or like has a leak. So last night was just like awful. My ribs, my back, they're just aching. So like tonight I have a warm shower, so I have to figure out where the leak is and try to patch it. And that rooster has been doing that all night. It's like never-ending morning for him. And then another thing, oh yeah, I had to like pee so bad, but like it's so cold out there that I don't want to get out, but my bladder is just like screaming. So another tip someone told me is get a Gatorade bottle and just use it to pee in. But like in this tent, I find that it would be so difficult, and I would just screw it up somehow, and I would just like pee all over the place. So I'm not gonna do it. It's kind of gross to me. But you can give it a go. I actually set the camera out, come back in, and then show you guys how I get out of this tent. And if I fall, it's not an exaggeration. I've fallen before because it's so difficult in the morning, like trying to get out this little hole when you're freezing and you're trying to put your shoes on and, you know, all that crap at the same time. Yeah. So anyway, that's it for the visit in my tent. Get a bigger tent. Unless you want to stealth camp, then this is good because it's really shallow and it's dark green. But if you don't, which I don't like to stealth camp, yeah, a big bright orange tent is perfect. Yeah, do that.
This morning has so clear a light as any to see the horizon and the far. Excuses were 2 for a penny, but they've all gone out the window of this car. And when I feel the wind on my face,
I'm too old for this. I'm way too old for this.
all that ever was is a rage. Today and not tomorrow, there's no time to borrow. Today, well, something's gotta give. Today is a good day
So this is the Arizona desert. It looks the same everywhere. It's beautiful. Just one tip for you: wear sunscreen. I've noticed my nose within the past week. It's getting crazy red, and I do put some on. Some days I forget, and I'm out here for like 7-8 hours. So don't be stupid. You know, wear some sunscreen. I just finished taking a pee. There's no like cover. Basically, it's hard to find cover to pee. I don't know if you're a lady. I don't know how you do it, honestly. So anyway, sorry if this video of week 9 makes no sense whatsoever. I've been like so exhausted, and I've never really felt like filming at all this week. You know, since Western Texas beat the crap out of me, I just want to ride. You know, get to Phoenix in a few days, rest up, and then ride on over to San Diego. But I'll keep filming because I know, you know, 20 years from now I'll look back and be upset with myself if I didn't. So yeah, that's it. This is Friday. This is the last day of week 9. Yeah. All right. There's my bike. I'd recommend getting a kickstand because laying it down sucks because it's heavy. Well, that's Globe, Arizona. That's where I finished the motel last night. Week 9. I think I stayed like 3 hotels this week, so like the prices of my lodging was like super high this week, but I don't care. I'm tired, it's cold. But this week 10, I get to go to a tunnel, so I think I get to ride in a tunnel today. So I'll see you next week. Yeah.
today and not tomorrow. There's no time to borrow. Today is a good